there's a lot, yeah, it's steadied out that bit.
Yeah, it's not gusting too much because we're a bit further away from the little crumble.
Few of the things there.
That one up there shouldn't be a problem.
It is.
Oh my god, we've upset him.
It's coming right after us, yes, it will.
How are you doing, Les?
Bearing up to the strain, Squire?
You had a good day sailing?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you had a good day sailing?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, yeah?
Too bad.
Yeah. What's been the highlight of your trip so far, Simon?
Trip so far this week?
Yeah, well, just anything stands out. I heard you caught a big tuna. What kind of size was it? Was it as big as the one that got away?
About that far, about big.
Oh wait there, I have to pan out. That big, man, that is one hell of a size of a tuna.
Follow your pulleys up. Yeah, look at your pulleys.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you knock them? So it's not that huge in here to come already.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Is that what you feel inside?
Half a mile south
So come in here.
Are we on? Are we rolling?
It is 175, so you think?
Right, okay.
That cast tank, 175.
175, yeah.
That's flat, darling. Okay, you see the boy just marking the fish box, just to the left of the last fish box, boy out there. Yellow special marker boy.
Let me know when that'll be enough.
Yeah, that's still good. have the various satellites that we're actually getting a signal from just now. We have an indication here of how accurate the system is based on the signal we're getting from the satellites, and this is called the HDOP, the horizontal dilution of precision. So the lower that number, the better your fix that you're getting, the more accurate.
6 screws and then the plate just comes off the front. Okay. As you can see there's a little gasket on there. We'll just leave that on because we don't want to wreck it. So this is our propeller here. What we'll do is actually, once we've put it back on and we start the engine, we'll actually come down and just check it, make sure that it's not leaking.
You're either a giveaway vessel or a stand-on vessel. You're never deemed to have the right of way. So that word right of way doesn't actually exist in sailing. So you stand on, but you always stand on with caution. So you're always watching out just in case other guy hasn't paid attention. So where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other shall keep her course and speed. So that's what's termed stand on. So if you're being overtaken or someone's giving way to you, all they ask you to do is just like keep the same course. Because if you start speeding up, slowing down or turning, then they're like, where's he going? I'm going to avoid the guy, but he's all over the place. So just do exactly what you have been doing.
Yeah, he doesn't know that. I'm just trying to bond them a little bit, really. This is where all the mistakes start. You get this right, you've done the knot. Okay? So grab it all. Seen it before? Grab it all on the back of the tree. Okay, and then back through. Grab it all. And pull the knot. And that's how it should end up. Okay? The important thing is getting this twist right. And if you start doing that, the easiest